Welcome back. It's time for sports.
There is too much insularity that exists in West Indies cricket. A bold suggestion from a fired-up Cricket West Indies president Dr. Kishore Shallow as he defends head coach Darren Sammy on the Missed and Guest show in Barbados on Tuesday. Shallow's assertion that some persons' lack of interest in cultures, ideas, or people outside their own comes in the aftermath of West Indies being bowled out for 27 against Australia on Monday, their lowest ever score in Test cricket, and the second lowest in the history of the game. Former captain Guyanese Carl Cooper, who saw the Windies winning only 4 of the 22 tests under his leadership between 2001 and 2002, was the first to call for swift action as he spoke on a television program in Australia. According to Shallow, Sammy, who avoided defeat in 18 of his 30 tests as captain, has not got the deserved recognition because of his nationality.
Darren Sammy, the head coach of the West Indies team, is being criticized unfairly because it's inclusion. And you could challenge me on this because you could look at Darren Sammy's track record, right? Ooh. When he was captain of the team, he was criticized unfairly, right? And now he is coach. I mean, how else you could explain, Andrew, calling for head coach head after his fourth test series?
A move up the ICC Test bowling ranking is the only thing positive for the West Indies this week, following their all-time lowest score in Test cricket on Monday. The Windies bowlers, who managed to pick up all 60 Australian wickets throughout the 3-match Test series, enjoyed positive shifts in the ranking following the Sabina Park match. Shamar Joseph, who ended with 22 wickets for the series at an average of 14.95, has moved up 15 spots on the table to 14th. Azar Joseph, who claimed career best figures of 5 for 27 in the second innings at Sabina Park, also moved up 2 places to 29th, while Justin Graves jumped 15 spots to 65th. Jaden Seals remains the best placed West Indian bowler at 11th, despite dropping 2 spots. India's Jasprit Bumrah remains the number 1 Test bowler. There's no West Indian batter in the top 50, with opener Craig Brathwaite being the best placed Caribbean player at 55th, up 1 spot. Jamaican John Campbell, in his first series bat, moved up 3 spots to 75th, while Justin Graves gained 14 places to be ranked at 84. Brandon King is joint at 92. Finally, with 7 games remaining in the league phase, the Jamaica Women's Premier League is 11 goals away from the 500 mark, which could be achieved today with 2 rescheduled games. With no relegation and the top 4 places already decided, teams outside the playoff spot will look to end the league phase on a high. At Charlie Smith High School, 3rd place Arnett Gardens will play 11th place Federal United. A point for Arnett Gardens would ensure they end in 3rd as Los Perfectos are 3 points and 25 goals behind going into the final round this weekend. The other game today will see Mile Gully hosting Real Mabay at the Mile Gully Community Centre. Both games kick off at 3:30 p.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.